are you doing? Of course, it's your girl here again. I'm back again with another video. Okay guys, I have been trying so much niwalete video after video, and so again it's another episode. But hey guys, you've told me niona sasa akinidiam akiniambia, oh, your recipe, I love your recipe, it's easy to cook, and it's like kuna mtu aliniambia ati alinidiam akaniambia, by the way, be bringing those recipes because unapata mtu akiwa hungry, like it's so easy to prepare. So guys, again sijui ni kanini kameniingia. For those ones who don't know me, of course it's your girl Jackie. Cook with me again in my kitchen. Of course, this is my humble kitchen. So leo we are going to prepare a certain meal, but before we prepare, guys, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Before even we prepare this meal, hey guys, I have seen kwa my videos, people are watching but unsubscribed. People are watching na unsubscribed. Guys, if you know you are watching na huja subscribe, kama haujia kwa button kako subscribe kako hapa, daddy don't hit that one. Niko na my toddler hapa, so namuangalia, so iko hapa chini, hapa ni hapa ama ni hapa, but ukiangalia kwa simu ukaona imeandikwa subscribe, ujuja subscribe, go finya kwa subscription, and then we get to be part of the family. If you are a returning subscriber, hatutakusahau. If you are a returning viewer, hatutakusahau. Yo, it's been a milestone since tufike hapa guys. So if you are a returning viewer, if you are a returning subscriber, tulia, feel at home. Welcome and welcome so much. By the way guys, I love you so much. Whether you are a new subscriber, whether you are a returning subscriber, whether you are a new viewer, a returning viewer, Mimi, I don't choose, but guys, welcome so much to this family. We continue cooking and we fill our stomachs. By the way guys, as we continue with this cooking session, I was thinking nilikuwa na invite msee awe anakuja, tunakula, but ndio na confirm if my food is yummy. But guys, don't worry, tutafikiria story. So guys, what are we cooking today? Take 5 seconds, enda kwanza you subscribe, enda kwanza you view, enda kwanza you do, fanya hiyo kitu guys. Ebu do it, like kwanza like my video, comment down below, share my videos, and guys, by the way, ndo mnanipanga motisha kupost hizi vitu. So guys, sio siku bado, so nimechoose kupika hii because I have seen this recipe mahali kwingi, but me I usually cook it different. This is a way I love this food. And guys, guess what we are cooking today? Drum roll! Woo! We are preparing so guys, we are preparing kamande, our sweet baby. I love kamandes. And we are preparing kamande inaitwaje? Inaitwa lentils. Lentils, something of that sort in English. We are preparing kamande or lentils, something of that sort, and our sweet spaghetti. But guys, I don't choose spaghetti, but I love the what ni venye sijaipata guys, but ningeipata ningetokea the best. But the one we have, I'm not advertising it, but the one we have, we are going to cook it venye tu itatokea. So our main recipe here is spaghetti. To see my spaghetti, sipendi spaghetti zimecook sana na zime uncook sana, ziko tu hapo katikati. But guys, stay tuned, we are going to see how I usually make my own. So again guys, here are my ingredients. So we are going to use, for the kamandes, we are going to use the nyanyas over here, and then nilikuwa nimesoak my kamandas. So and then we are going to use, hizi ni za Kamai baby atakula hizi na kamande. These are the viazis and the matokes. The matokes, yeah, viazis and matokes. And then here we have our grated carrots, of course, but and inside here we have our onions, and of course our kamandeza. Oops, our kamandeza here, ukiangalia they are wet. I had soaked them, guys, so we are not going to forget. I am still going to our cooking oil. Nimeweka hapo because nilikuwa nimeenda nikanunua mafuta, so hii ndio ilikuwa imebaki. Our cooking oil over there, and also sorry guys, sikuwa nimetoa everything. Also our salt, and not forgetting our one and only spice, our Royco mchuzi mix. Guys, mimi I love my kamande. Unaona guys, sijazichemsha but nilisoka asubuhi. I did soak them in the morning, so I've not yet boiled them, but I usually cook my kamande without boiling. So we are going to put it like that, guys, and we wait. And then I will stir. I'll then put some water. Then I wait for. Then I'm going to put in some water. So imagine indi ita boil nayo. It will boil until imalize kupika. Yani until it cooks. So guys, we wait. So we wait for it to cook. Pause. So guys, as you can see, my kamande is ready. Our stew is ready, as you can see. Hata haija take long, guys, and if you can see, imeiva kabisa, like venye kamande inafaa kuiva. So it has some bananas nilikuwa nimeweka ndani, of course, za katoto kama mine, so because he cannot eat spaghettis. So guys, this is our kamande. Stay tuned as we wait for our spaghetti. So guys, our water is ready already. Our water is boiling. So here are our spaghettis. I'm gonna crunch them, guys. Me usually crunch spaghetti into 3 pieces, so nitazi crush and then I get back to you. So guys, as you can see, nimeshazi break. I have already broken down my spaghettis, so I'm gonna let them cook for some minutes, just a few minutes. So we are going to cover it, then it cooks for some minutes, and then boom, our spaghetti will be ready. So guys, our spaghettis are ready, as you can see. So I'm gonna remove all this water and then we show you the spaghetti how they are. As you can see, our spaghettis are so ready. Na guys, sijaeka maji baridi or anything. What I have done, ukiangalia, nime just sieve that ka water, and then they have not cooked for long. So angalia guys, one simnaona, yani it's inakuja tu kamoja kamoja. So guys, see, kamoja kamoja guys, Yeah, so as you can see, we have already served our food and our spaghettis are, yani, ona guys, yani kako one like this. Sweet spaghettis. Sweet spaghettis with our sweet kamanda. Unaichukua and then you unaikunja kunja hivi kama ka indomie guys. And then wow. Guys, see, unafanya tu hivyo, unashikashika na kamande. And then wow. Guys, it doesn't matter ni spaghetti gani umetumia, it all depends na how you cook. Aki mtoto wangu amesumbua kabidi ni shoot na yeye guys, hata nimesahau nimejifunga shuka. But anyway, that aside. So guys, as you can see, my spaghettis are here. They are yummy, they are one. Na mimi sijatumia strategy ati ya kupika unaweka sijui maji mingi and then unaweka sijui maji ikiiva kabisa unaenda na mwaga unaweka maji baridi. No, mimi sijatumia that strategy guys. I have used another strategy. So guys, follow this strategy na utaona spaghetti zako zitatoka. Actually maji kisha boil just zina cook I guess for 3 minutes. Yes, and then you just sieve that water. Is it sieving or decant? Whichever way, unaweza cook on a sieve. Stay tuned guys. I love you so much. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, niambie which other recipe you want us to prepare. Niliona mtu akiniambia nataka prepare githeri. Is okay guys. And funny enough, mind you, me prepare githeri nikijipikia. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned and nawapenda sana. Subscribe to my channel guys. Aki ndio niendelee kuwapostia videos. Subscribe, like, and naona my toddler akinisumbua, like and pole baba. Like, and I love you so much guys. Bye bye.